Hi guys, so for the last 24 hours there have been a 5% profit margin between Kucoin and Binance on this trading pair QKC/BTC guys. So I talked of coin picker in my previous video. You're going to see the video in the link in the description below where I talked about some things about this app. The name is coin picker. So today I'm going to be trying out an arbitrage opportunity using it, and I'm also going to explain some things before the end of this video before you dive into this. So as you can see here, if you're going to be buying this coin QKC on Kucoin and then you sell it on Binance, that's if you're trading the QKC/BTC pair, if you buy it on Kucoin and you sell on Binance, you'll be making a 5% profit guys. And this app tells us that if we invest 100 USDT into this, or $100 worth of QKC, we'll be making $5 per transaction, and if we include the exchange fees, we'll be making about $4.8 per transaction guys. So now I'm just going to go to the apps and I'll check it out. So guys, I'm going to be starting with the Kucoin guys. So once you come to your Kucoin like this, I want you to come here. Okay, now on this search area, I want you to search for QKC. All right, and I want to select this one /the BTC. So right now we'll be running a simulation from the signal we got from coin picker. So let's say we want to purchase about $100 worth of QKC from here using the Bitcoin. So that should be around 0.002 Bitcoin. Okay, 23. So you can see it here is about, let me say 24. All right, that's about 102 USD down here, and we'll be getting this amount of QKC. We'll be getting about 10,869.5652 QKC. So I'm just going to copy this, or I'm going to write it down. All right, I want you to take note of this because I will go to the Binance and I'll paste this amount there and see how much we'll sell it. Okay, if you get your Binance, I want you to do the same thing. This is your spot trading. So you come here again, same thing, and search for QKC. Okay, just search QKC. So we'll go for the QKC/BTC. all right, so here I want you to come to the sell section here. So right here we would want to sell that amount of QKC. So I'm just going to type it in here, 69. So Binance does not accept points. You can see I cannot put in points, so I'll just leave it like this. As you can see, we'll be getting 0.2000249987 BTC back. This is what we're getting. Now let's see how much this will sell in dollars. Let's see. So I want you to come back here. Okay, remember this is a simulation. Let's come to this BTC/USDT. So let's paste that amount here. Let's see if you have to swap it to dollars, how much you'll be getting. You can see guys, we'll be getting about 106.5 USDT back, and this is the same amount in dollars. That means we'll be getting about $106.58 guys. This is very profitable arbitrage with these two exchanges. You can see it here. If you buy on your Kucoin, you will be spending 102.87, and if you sell on your Binance, you'll be selling at 106.5 guys. So with the transaction fee and everything, you can see that coin picker actually predicted right guys. You can see coin picker actually predicted right. I was making about $4 profit guys. You can see this is a very profitable one. So guys, in my last video I explained how coin picker works. It's going to tell you where you will buy from and where to sell from, and the percentage profit you'll be making guys if you perform arbitrage with it. And we just checked that out right now and we saw that it's working guys. We saw that it's very profitable guys. So some of the things I said about coin picker in the last video is that if you're going to be using coin picker, do not use the BTC section, and I told you why. Because BTC is very volatile. The only reason why I used this as an illustration because for the last 24 hours I've been checking this Kucoin and Binance, this currency pair. There have been a 5% profit margin between them in the last 24 hours. So if you are going to use this, make sure you watch the currency pair very well, watch it for long. If it takes a long time, meaning okay, it's not really fluctuating like that. Because the reason why I'm saying that now is you might buy from Kucoin, and maybe because of the network you're using, before it to get into Binance, it might take in 30 minutes or so. The price might change, might drop, and you know Bitcoin is very huge, it's very volatile. So if the price drop, even if it's 2%, by the time between entering Binance, you might not make much, and if it drops more than this percentage, if it drops more than 5%, if it drops to 5, maybe 1%, you might run at a loss, guys. That's why I say you should not use BTC. But if you come to this coin picker and you look at it, maybe you've been checking this currency pair, this QKC/BTC, for example, you've been checking it and it has been on a certain percentage profit for a long time, then you can dive into it. And remember, if you are going to be doing it, remember you need to act fast, because even this coin picker tells us, say act fast due to exchange rate fluctuation. So the rate might change, guys. That's why I say you should not use BTC, because it's very volatile. And I told you we should use stable coins like the USDT, like the USDC, and like the DAI. You can see the link to the previous video I made in the description below. You can watch it to know more about this app. Okay, so let's come to the USDT section. So guys, on the USDT section, though you might not see a big profit margin at this current time, but if you keep checking, there was a time I saw between Gate.io and OKX, there was about 3% profit margin between a crypto pair. Okay, I've forgotten the crypto pair as of that time, but it has dropped now. That's why it's not showing here. So on the USDT section, currently CoinPicker is telling us that if you purchase from Kucoin and we sell at Gate.io, if we purchase this COTI and we this COTI, if we purchase COTI/USDT, if we buy it on Kucoin and we sell on Gate.io, we'll be making about 1% profit, 1.2% profit. So let's simulate this too. If you have $100 capital, you're making $1.2, but if you include your exchange fee, you're making $0.9, which is not still bad, guys, because this is something you can do as many times as possible. And make sure you act fast if you're going to be doing this. And this also has been online, like it has been like this for the last 24 hours that I've been checking coin picker. There have been a 1% profit margin between Kucoin and Gate.io on this crypto pair, guys. So you can get this app on the Play Store, like I said in the previous video, and I said a lot of things, so you might just check out that video. You'll see the link to that video where I talked about coin picker in the description below. You're going to see it there, so you can check it out and watch it more, and you will know a lot of things about this platform, guys. And this platform is a very, very good one that you should have if you want to be performing good arbitrage, because there will be a time that even on this USDT section you might see a very high profit margin between two crypto exchanges, guys, and all the exchanges here are legit. And coin picker is a very legit app, guys, and it works with real-time data, so it works with the real-time market value, and it gives you the percentage profit between two currencies. You can see currently the DAI/USDT, if you purchase it on Gate.io and if you sell it on OKX, you're making about 0.42% profit. But for this one, you're going to be needing a high capital like $1,000, and if you are going to be doing it, you're making at least $1.6 including the exchange fee per transaction, which is not bad, because these are two stable coins and they are very good, and these are two legit exchanges, guys. So this app is something you can be using to perform arbitrage, guys, to check out arbitrage opportunities and perform them. So that'll be all for now. I just wanted to show you how you can use this, and I wanted to show a simulation on it. So I'll be seeing you guys on the next update. In coming times, if there's a very huge profit margin between certain exchanges on this USDT section, I'm going to explain it, and I'll probably do a live transaction on it if I say very huge profit margin for the USDT, because USDT is a stable coin and it is not volatile, so I don't want to risk much with the BTC section. So I'll be looking forward to that too. So I'll be seeing you guys on the next update. That's all for now. Do have a nice day, guys.